Hey, what's up YouTube? My name is Josh. Welcome to my channel. I purchased a 2022 Subaru WRX yesterday with 4.1 miles on it. I drove it for a little bit and I put like about 30 miles on it, but we are going to go ahead and get ready to take it to, we're getting ready to take it on a 3,000 mile road trip, but before we do so, we want to show up looking good and in style, so we're going to be removing the OEM wheels and putting on some Volk CE28s. So these are 18 by 9 plus 35 offset, so these are going to look a lot better than the stock ones, which are all like tucked underneath in the wheel wells. So let's get today's video going. We got to get the car washed. I'm going to use the foam cannon from Griot's garage. We're going to get her washed and we're going to be hitting the road here in about 3 hours to go to Ours Day. So I got a lot of stuff to still get done. I haven't even packed yet, so I'm kind of behind the wire because I wanted to get yesterday's video edited and get today's video shot. We're also going to go ahead and detail the car. It's pretty dirty. Hasn't been washed yet. I didn't have them detailed at the dealership because I wanted to do it myself. So let's go ahead and open the Griot's garage foam cannon. I'll have a link in the description down below if you want to order one for yourself. I bought it last summer and never got around to using it. Very simple kit. Comes with your bottle, your spray nozzle. You've got your air inlet that goes here on the back. The pickup feed is weighted so it sinks to the bottom to get foam. Not sure what this is. Maybe it's a tapered feed for less spray, or is that the nozzle? You got your instructions for prep, wash, rinse, protect, final rinse, and dry. Pretty cool, the exact amount you need, one bottle. Down pretty good. Super foamy. Let's start washing. Well, I've got my car washed and I did dry it with a towel. However, it's slightly raining, so I'm going to try to dry it off again here, see if the weather will cooperate. I want to put a little ceramic coat on. I need a rain X the windows because I'm going to be driving 3,000 miles over mountain passes and stuff like that, there and back. And I want to be able to see. But the paint is looking so much better than before. Now that it's clean, it's a lot brighter, it pops. And I picked up a set of logos for my YouTube channel. So JDM right hand drive, I'm going to put them on the windshield and on the sides. I'm going to get those on first. Alright, now the weather's finally cooperated with me, so everything is dry. Car's looking good, and you don't really learn the contours of a body until you really wash it all by hand. I found only one or two little scratches over on this rear quarter panel on the passenger side. So there's one right here, and there's another one right there. Actually, this whole little section, so I'll buff those out later. Oh, actually, right here too, this whole side. So that kind of sucks, but I can polish that out. All right, I cleaned the glass with rubbing alcohol and I got my sticker on. All right, we've got all the scratches out. They were up here on the side of the car and on the quarter panel. Those are out. I'm gonna put some Best of Show wax on, then throw the wheels on. Alright guys, I'm done with the wax. I was going to put some ceramic coat over it, but it's starting to rain, so it's not going to cure. But I've got my logos on for the show. I've got one on each of the quarter glasses there, one on the front windshield, and then the one on the back in the center with the QR code. So yeah, that's what my old car looked like with the C-West bumper, the old school wheels, Blitz front intercooler, C-West body kit, to this, which looks freaking awesome. I'm in love with this car. Let's get you guys close so you can see that paint is definitely popping. Looks nice and wet, super smooth. So I'm gonna just take it like that. Let me swap the wheels out real quick. I'm gonna pull it onto the street and do that. After that, we'll be done with today's video. I'll be ready to leave. I gotta take off in about an hour, some out of time. So bye-bye to the factory wheels. These are the same tires that are on there. They're Dunlop Sport Max GTs. They're a 235 45 17. These are Sports Max RT, so they're actually a little bit different model. I'm not sure what the difference is, but these ones are a little bit wider aspect ratio. They're 245 40 18, so they'll give me a little bit more meat. So let's go ahead and throw this one on. And then just don't move your hands because it's jerky. Turn your whole body. So you hold it like that and just turn the whole body as I come by, and just keep the car in the center of the frame. Thanks for helping me record Madison. Madison's my little camera girl, my daughter. Is 15. Thanks, honey. Well, guys, that is it. We are all done in 24 hours since I purchased the car. I at least have got it waxed. I've got the wheels on, tire shine. I'm gonna let that dry. I have to go in. It's like almost 4 o'clock now. I was actually supposed to be leaving in about 10 minutes. I still have to go take a shower. I need a shave. I got to pack. And yeah, the car is done. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Do you like the tire and wheel setup? Remember, those are 18 by 9 plus 35. So they're pretty much flush. They might be, I mean, plus 38 would probably be better, but I already had these. These were wheels that I ordered from my Nissan Silvia and had shipped over, so they were sitting in the garage. I had them on the Lexus. They were on the GTR. They didn't fit right there, but they look good here. So I think with a little bit of camber, I could get them, once the car's lowered, sitting just right. I think it'll work perfectly. Look how much better that paint is popping. The paint, the color looks good. I mean, look at the reflections. The paint is super soft. And thank you so much to Sandy Sign. I called them yesterday at 3 o'clock. They had these ready for me this morning at about 10:45. I picked them up. So at least I can represent my channel when I'm down there at Ours Day and kind of try to help promote my channel and grow my channel. I think that this will be a pretty exciting car for some people to see. I wish I could at least got it lowered and put an exhaust on it, but that'll be coming next. And don't worry, guys, I will be back with more R32 GTR Skyline content. I have more engine and stuff. I have a lot more engine work and everything that I still need to do with the RB26. I'll finish that last video, trying to find the damage and isolate what exactly happened. But beyond that, let me know what you guys think of the video. If you liked the video today, smash the thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And subscribe if you haven't. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys at Ours Day. Peace out.